warmth and comfort. Exploring like a hug in a bowl. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that's as warm and comforting as it sounds, like a hug in a bowl. This expression is a beautiful way to describe certain foods, but it also holds a deeper meaning in the English language. Let's explore why this phrase is so powerful and how you can use it to enrich your English. Like a hug in a bowl is a metaphorical expression used to describe food that is especially comforting or soothing. These are usually warm, hearty dishes that make you feel cocooned in comfort, much like receiving a hug. The phrase evokes a sense of warmth, comfort, and nurturing, feelings that are universally cherished and sought after. This phrase goes beyond just the taste of the food. It speaks to the emotional experience of eating. Food that is like a hug in a bowl is often associated with home-cooked meals, childhood favorites, or dishes that hold sentimental value. It's the kind of food that, regardless of your day, can lift your spirits and make everything seem just a bit brighter. Various cuisines around the world have dishes that could be described as like a hug in a bowl. For instance, a steaming bowl of chicken soup when you're feeling under the weather, a hearty stew on a cold winter's night, or a rich and creamy risotto that melts away the stresses of the day. Each dish serves as a comforting embrace to the soul. Incorporating like a hug in a bowl into your English conversations can add a layer of warmth and relatability. Use it to describe food that makes you feel comforted and cared for. It's a wonderful way to share your personal experiences with food and culture, and to connect with others on an emotional level. We hope this exploration of like a hug in a bowl has warmed your heart and maybe even made you a little hungry. This phrase is a beautiful reminder of the power of food to comfort, heal, and bring us together. So next time you sit down to a meal that feels like a warm embrace, you'll know exactly how to describe it. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more delightful insights into the English language with you.